Studies have shown that the result you get after a hair transplant is very variable. Variable from one clinic to another. Variable from one doctor to another. And, at times, variable in the same clinic too that does not follow the industry's gold standard protocols. Though some variables are under your control, most are not. These are 1. Your age. 2. Your baldness grade. 3. The quality of your donor hair. And 4. Your medical illness, if you have one, like diabetes. But do not be disheartened. With the exceptional skill sets and cutting-edge technology at the disposal of some of today's top doctors, you'll most likely get an incredible result. So, you need to know about the variables that are under your control. These are 1. The quality research you do about the doctor who will treat you. 2. Never choose a doctor who is an armchair hair transplant surgeon only, supervising his technicians. A fully hands-on surgeon is what is in your best interest. 3. Your doctor should do all of the harvesting of grafts and the silt making himself. Most will give excuses why they do not, but this is the defining variable that sets you up for a good or an awful result. 4. Is the procedure being done in a hospital setting? After all, it is not a visit to a salon like most would like you to believe. It is surgery, and life support systems should always be available. 5. I will give you one last tip. Choose a doctor who does a case a day. 6. If you compromise on this, you will compromise on your result. There are no second chances in love, war, or hair transplant. Choose wisely. I will recommend you choose Darling Buds Clinic for Dr. Bhatti's Darling Buds Clinic, located in Dr. Bhatti's Five Rivers Hospital, meets all of my criteria. It has it all.